startup expanded globally with n number of hotel rooms and vacation homes not only in India but in countries like UAE, Brazil, China, etc. Change the slide. Before OYO, the Indian market basically had two types of hotel industry. One was unorganized and the other was organized hotel industry. Unorganized hotel industry mainly included budget rooms with basic facilities and less staff. The quality of the rooms were also poor. Organized hotel industry consisted of luxury hotel rooms with 3 to 5 star rating. They were basically Taj, ITC, and Marriott. There was no place for a mediocre person looking for budget friendly quality rooms. In 2012, Ritesh Agarwal dropped out from college to develop its first venture, that was Oravel. Oravel was based on the concept of Airbnb, that is a homestay model that aimed at creating a network through its website and apps that allowed homeowners to rent their extra space as an alternative to hotel rooms. Oravel initially got success, and Ritesh Agarwal was selected for fellowship in April 2013. He traveled for 2 months and stayed in various luxury hotels across the country in order to understand the operations of various hotels. He soon realized that the hotels that he stayed in did not deliver what they promised. Due to Indian culture and traditions, Agarwal realized that the Oravel venture will not long last for future, as people were not comfortable staying at a stranger's house. There was lack of reliability and trust, and one could not check the hotel room before booking. There was no guarantee of room standardization, and people preferred to stay with relatives and friends. As bookings and quality of rooms were not guaranteed, there was a lot of waste of money when it came to hotel booking. Soon the Oracle business model failed, and then Ritesh Agarwal gave rise to the Oyo brand. Now I hand over to Abhinav Saxena for further continuation.
Thank you. Good afternoon. My name is Avinash Saxena. I sorry. Firstly, I tell about the OM. OM is a assets management was launched in August 2017 by Ritesh Agrawal. OM was the brand for the service that the OYO provided property owners looking to the transform their underutilized property like the houses and corporate space into modern full furnished hotels. Then I introduction of OYO. In August 2017, Ritesh Agarwal, CEO of OYO, marketplace that provide reliable and quality budget rooms, announced the launch of OYO at 6 OM. Then functions of OYO identify the underutilized budget room in marketplace. Get the property owners to upgrade them by investing minimize to meet the basic needs. Audit the entire process, ensure that engaged service quality was maintained by consistency delivered as per the customer needs. Use the market level info the demand supply to change the room price on the time to boost the return to both operators and firm. Thank you. Continue to Ritu Gupta.
Thank you, Abhinav. I am Ritu Gupta. Good afternoon, sir and ma'am. My topic is vision and mission. Vision statement focus on best staying facility. OYO mission is to upgrade all forms of real estate and thereby provide quality living space to travelers around the world. Mission statement we aspire to become to the accommodation brand for people looking for hassle free and affordable stay options anywhere in the world. OYO Rooms has one objective to offer a standardized stay experience at an unmatched price. Features such as an air conditioner, TV, complimentary breakfast and Wi-Fi with 24 into 7 customer service. Business model of OYO. Book a part of hotel inventory beforehand. Organize these hotel rooms under their brand name OYO rooms. These partner hotels provided is standardized service to customers in a contact with OYO. Booking were made through the OYO rooms website and mobile application. The current operating model of OYO rooms is similar to what it was before. It's just but asks the hotel partners to operate them as franchises. They have good brand equity and boost 100% increase in revenue to their partner hotels. OYO started a hotel aggregator and used to lease some rooms and sell them under its brand name. However, it changed its business model from the aggregator to the franchise. It starting with their to customers at competitive price. Booking are made through the OYO Rooms website and mobile application. It's just a few seconds. First step, visit the OYO official website. Second step, search for the hotel according to your requirement. Third step, select the date for your stay and number of guests and tap on search. Fourth step, select the hotel according to your location, budget and facility. I would like to call Ananta for the explanation.
Thank you, Ritu. Now I am here continuing by here only. OYO promises. Yeah. Standardization was critical for supporting OYO's promise of predictability and reliability to its customer. During 2 months travel of Ritesh Agrawal, he stayed in a hotel in his target segment to understand the common problems and how the OYO improved them. So he noticed that most of the hoteliers did not understand the factors that determine the customer satisfaction. So he told the owners that we should work together to improve the services for the customer. So once OYO acquired a room, they invested in upgrading the room, improving the staff training, and using a technology to manage operation. So this led to OYO's 5 promises across every room. These promises were clean washroom, spotless mattress, air-conditioned room with standardized television, which is partnered with Bharti Airtel, free Wi-Fi, free breakfast, and a branded toiletry kits. So after infrastructure and staff related changes, OYO become a technology franchise partner. Bhavya, change the slide. So as Ritesh Agrawal convinced that technology was the best, was the at the heart of running such a large operation in a possible way. So OYO developed an app for the hotelier and app for the service staff. The hotel owner app allowed a dialogue between the OYO and the owner on room booking, on pricing, and other stay related issues. So hotel owner could see the customer booking on their property in real time and assign a room with a swipe of a finger. The app also allowed OYO to seek clarification from the owners on the issues of customer complaints. And OYO app for service staff simplified the process with the room service order. So the OYO auditor then conduct a comprehensive check on all the rooms, that whether the rooms are standardized or not. If the room is standardized, they coded as a green color. The room which is unstandardized, they coded as a yellow color. And that room which is not in a proper condition, OYO blacklisted them. So by using the Krypton app, they send the gathered data back to the analytic team. So like this way, it expands their network. Change the slide. Though it is founded in 2013 in Gurgaon, Haryana, and in across 150 cities in India. So now it expanded. Change the slide, please. Bhavya. And now it expanded globally up to 450,000 hotels in 500 towns like Malaysia, African Republic, Nepal, China, and Indonesia. So, next. So, it begins from a single hotel in May 2013 to over 4,500 plus hotels and also operate rooms more than 174 cities. At present, it has been an inspiring journey from a smart idea to India's largest branded network, with a dream becoming the world's largest network. Fo- uh, Focusing on 2020 on improving customer and partner relations, it has a 5 times faster growth, and now they target to grow or expand 50,000 rooms in each month, and up to 2023, it will become 25 lakh more rooms. Now, I would like to call Bhavya for further.
Yeah, thanks, Ananta. Mr. Agrawal now thought to move somewhat ahead than their model 2.0. So they realized that something more should be introduced for different strata of society, looking for different price and experience. Oyo rooms were mostly for budget travelers, travelers who did not mind high price and high quality service. For them, Oyo introduced Oyo flagship and Oyo townhouse. First, know about what was Oyo rooms. Oyo soon realized its guests wanted a standardized experience in every hotel that displayed the Oyo signage, amenities, and the Oyo promises available in the initial version of Oyo rooms as before. For these rooms, Oyo reached out to the budgeted travelers with the advertising line says, "Or kya chahiye?" Oyo rooms have certain promising features such as AC rooms with TV, free Wi-Fi, spotless linen, complimentary breakfast, hygiene washroom, and toiletries kit. Now, thing that came is Oyo flagship. Developed in 2016, flagship brand was for customers who had grown with Oyo and now wanted high quality stay. Such properties were suited in convenient local and high footfalls. Oyo takes over hotel or a building on a lease and convert them into Oyo, which is provided with the homely atmosphere to the clients. Then it is known as Oyo flagship. Features that Oyo flagship promise is in mid-range infrastructure such as wooden or vertified tile flooring, mini bar, tea and coffee station, king size bed. Then the next thing that they introduced us was Oyo Townhouse. In 2017, Oyo sought to bridge gap between customers and expectation and experience delivered by Oyo flagship. It launched slightly more premium model known as Oyo Townhouse. There, the target customer were business people and millennials. Oyo took property for 3 to 5 years on lease. Then they transformed these property into social and commercial micro hubs. The townhouse was touched as 25% hotel, 25% room, 25% cafe, 25% store, and branded home, always away from home. Features that Oyo Townhouse has were wooden flooring, premium shower amenities, high speed internet, added enhancement, Netflix account in room, business service, global cafe, retail store, high quality exterior, 24-hour security, and highly trained staff. In Oyo Township, every element from breakfast menu to the booking process has been re-engineered from comfort. Every element of township room is designed for ultimate comfort and convenience. Over to you, Devansh.
Thanks, Bhavya. Thanks, Bhavya. I am Devan. in the competitors operator like IT are the growing for affordable accommodation and lower tier brands.
Devansh, you're not
ITC
audible. Your
developed
voice is
its
breaking.
over time. Operators like ITC and Taj noticed the growing demand for quality, affordable accommodation and developed the lower tier brands. ITC developed its For- uh, Fortune Park mid-scale hotel in 1995, while Taj launched its Ginger Budget Hotel in 2004, and Galway
Bhavya, please mute
mid-scale
yourself. Bhavya.
hotel
Yes.
hotel in Galway mid-scale hotel in 2008. However, it However, the new brand weren't too successful. They struggled to make money as the organized player had a higher cost structure than unorganized ones. More recently, several type of new informat intermediaries in the hotel industry emerged. emerged. Online travel agencies such as Make My Trip, Geo, Goai, Bebook, Yatra, and Booking listed and sold hotel rooms online on their proprietary platform. Homestay network like Airbnb use their use their website and apps as online marketplace that allowed homeowner to rent their extra space as an alternative to hotel rooms. Finally, startup like Oyo went beyond listing of existing properties and built a chain of self-branded rooms by standardizing in budget hotel. Their rooms initially sold on OTA platform and later on the company's own website or app. Around the same time, Oyo went on notes above its basic budget of offering and started standardizing and managing hotels in the mid-scale segment. It always provided added luxuries to improve customer experience such as upscale interiors, highly trained staff and 24-hour customer supports. New age players developed novel and interesting way to increase their market share. For instance, Airbnb was focused on pavilion hoteliers located for weekends or had 24 hours reaching customers only in the to an interest of. On the other hand, Amazon acquisition in 2016. It acquired Goibibo closest competitor in hotel room booking, thus creating India's largest OTA. Next, next slide, please. Bhavya, next slide. Awards, awards and accolades. Over a time, OYO has achieved many recognition, recognized and award worldwide. Next slide, please. Major problem for Oyo. There are certain problem which Oyo have, and in our opinion, solution for these problems. First problem is complaint of unpaid dues by Indian hotel partners. Legal agreement can be set up between two parties and advance can be taken before booking their underutilized properties to publish it in online marketplace. Second problem is protest by US hotel owners over Oyo's entries. Protest by US hotel was due to loss of revenue, poor software, and criminal activities. Such thing can be avoided by taking firm decision like updating software according to time and environment, giving booking online only to those customers who give their full detail and are not suspect. Revenue can be generated by attracting more customers by using different business tactics. Third problem is lack of profitability. There can be improvement in its standardization and booking system along with customer service in other to attract more achieve audience so that it generated an increase in profitability. Thank you.